Finally, some peace and quiet around here. Time to get some reading done. Wow, that's a really long... Put this thing... What? Whoopee cushion? Really? Haha! You just got grinched! Don't end up getting grinched yourself. Stay tuned to this episode of JtoZ TV because the king of unboxing, Jayden, he's gonna open up my new movie, The Grinch, which is out today on DVD and Blu-Ray. It's like probably like the greatest movie of all time, and it's got like the best actor ever, most handsomest man in Hollywood. Me, eat your hearts out, Brad Pitt, George Clooney, and Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. If you smell what the Grinch is cooking.
So hey guys.
What's up, guys? It's another JtoZ TV unboxing.
Yep.
JtoZ TV Jayden.
Yep.
JtoZ TV Derek.
Yeah.
And what do we got today, Jayden?
Grinch time.
We got The Grinch, the new Blu-ray DVD digital release, Target exclusive. This is a Target exclusive, sir. We got Target exclusive right here. This one has got, it's not a toy. It's a book, sir. Look at this. Gallery and activity book. So it's not quite a toy, but you know what? You're gonna have some activities to do in there.
I think inside.
No, it's a book, Jay. Like, see, it says only at Target, exclusive book. He thinks there's a toy in all of these movies now. Thanks, Walmart. Illumination's Grinch is out today on DVD, Blu-ray, and digital, and that means Christmas came early. That's right, you gotta hit the TARGET for this exclusive bundle because this version comes with a super awesome 26-page gallery and activity book. Woo, this thing is super cool, guys. You guys have got to check out the special features loaded onto this thing. You get 3 mini movies included, which are Yellow is the New Black, The Dog Days of Winter, and Santa's Little Helpers. You're also getting making of featurettes on all of those 3 mini movies, production featurettes from green to screen, Who's Who in Whoville, My Earliest Grinch Memories, Grinchy Gadgets. Whoa, this thing is busting with Grinchy special feature goodness. My absolute favorite, You're a Mean One, Mr. Grinch lyric video. How cool is that? You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. Target exclusive. We're gonna go ahead and rip it open. Jayden, you wanna do the honors?
Yep.
We're gonna see that book. It's not a toy. It's a book. Open it up. Here we go, Jay. It's not a surprise party. Let's get it open. Where's the unboxing powers? Okay, now we're gonna, what do we got? It's a little, this is like a puzzle.
Bouncy.
Free it from its container. Jayden, go ahead and shimmy it out of there without ripping it. There's the book. Wait. We got the book, the Target book. There's a little bit of Grinch in all of us, huh, Jayden? Look at that, nice. This is a very cool, nice full glossy pictured, full glossy page, nice beautiful pictures on every page here. You got all the characters listed from the movie. Got some pretty cool production stills. Gorgeous little book there. What else we got in here? Look at that. Very pretty. Oh, and look, Jay, you got some activities you can do in there. Some different Grinch games. Grinch word search. Find the Grinch that doesn't look like his grumpy old self. Little Grinch maze.
Grinch maze.
There's a Grinch maze in there, sir. Like I said, this is Illumination's Grinch. This is not your Jim Carrey Grinch. This is not your classic Dr. Seuss's Grinch. This is Illumination's Grinch. Illumination, you might remember them. It's the Minions, you know, Despicable Me, you know, Sing, The Secret Life of Pets. These guys know their stuff. You liking that book, Jay? Well, we're gonna go ahead and crack the DVD open here. Let's see what's inside. What do we got? Okay, we got our digital code, as you can see. And look at nice, beautiful green discs. You got a green Blu-ray and a green DVD matching there. Green just like the Grinch himself. I'll tell you what, if you don't have this set, I would be green with envy of us right now. You know what I mean? You know what I... Did you like my jokes? Okay. All right, Jay, what do you think, dude?
Nah.
That was Jayden's review. Jayden said meh. And me, I think it's a great set. Target is stepping up their game themselves with these cool exclusives.
I can do it.
This book is, it's really kind of like a little high quality bonus gift that they throw in there. You got some fun activities for the kids, and you got those beautiful glossy full pages in there. Jayden, before you leave, come on in here. What do you have to say to the people? What do you think about the Grinch, dude?
Like you have.
Let's say it together. Thanks for watching, everybody. We are gonna go and enjoy the Grinch. We're good. Okay, he's off. He's already ready to enjoy it, guys. This has been another JtoZ TV unboxing. This has been the Target exclusive Grinch set. He just took off with the exclusive book. We're gonna go check out the Grinch on JtoZ TV movie night. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch us next time.